Okay, we need to talk. A company by the name MANGOAL sent me this dash cam, and I believe this will change the way you view dash cams. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. We're going to do a quick tour of the box. The box seems to be printed pretty well. Do a quick unboxing. Here is the camera itself. It is an OEM fit. Here is the instruction manual with a couple zip ties. A pamphlet with a QR code to get you started with the mobile app. This is the rear camera. Yes, it has a rear camera that interfaces with the front camera and records simultaneously. This is what you use to supply power. It does plug into your OBD2 port to provide power to both cameras. Here is the mount to hold it to your windshield, along with a plastic pry tool, an extra 3M pad, and a 128 gigabyte SD card. A cell phone is not required for this camera to operate, and please remember to read your manual. This dash cam is an OEM fit. It does fit around your rear view mirror. The rear camera has a lot of cable, so installing it isn't that difficult. Here I am doing a dry fit to see how everything looks. Make sure to supply power, plug everything in, and make sure your cameras work before you start hiding wires. This is where we download the app from the App Store. This application is used to configure and pull the video files from your camera. It will connect to a local Wi-Fi network that the camera creates, and you're able to get a live shot of both cameras. There are an array of options. I prefer recording 3-minute loops. That means a new video file is created every 3 minutes. Here I am routing the rear camera wire through my plastic trim. Now I am taking a different route. I am not going through the headliner. I decided to go through the cable channels under my door panels. I use the plastic pry tool to pull the trim away and push the cable through. It rests really well. The Super Duties have a nice channel for cables to run. Running up the front trim and along the headliner, I complete the install for the rear camera. Now I repeat the same strategy for the power cable that runs to the OBD2 port. This is raw video footage coming from both cameras. You can see the clarity is incredible. Now it is worth noting that my rear window is tinted, so the rear camera is going to be a little darker. That being said, the clarity from that rear camera is outstanding. The video overall is very smooth. Here is a side-by-side showing you both cameras at the same time. Pulling into one of the cities, you can see all the signs, you can see the other vehicles. Everything's running really well, really smooth. As we pull into this pilot station, I just want you to notice you can read everything from both cameras, including the fact that my rear window is tinted. As we come to a complete stop, you can see there is no shaking. Now I'm just going to download this file to my phone to save for later. Looks like it's doing well so far, but let's see what happens when it gets a little bit darker. Here's a split screen shot of both cameras showing traffic in the front and rear of my vehicle. A little bit darker heading down one of the roads. There are traffic lights, cars, everything, everywhere. You're still able to read the pilot sign. You can see construction. There's somebody who lost traction, never a good thing. Heading through a Publix parking lot, you can see everything is really lit up. All the signs are punchy. You can see everything. This is the front camera. Here is the rear camera. Again, you're able to read every sign at this shopping center. Here are some people crossing in front of the truck. Their movement is very smooth. You can see the truck approaching on the driver's side. And behind us, there is traffic. You can make out the trees, all the lines. Again, it's very smooth. The colors are crisp. Back on the road, it's getting even darker. You can see it's 35 miles per hour. Here is the app showing the cameras being flipped from front to rear cameras. Yes, you can monitor the cameras with your phone or tablet. This camera records whether or not you have a phone or tablet connected, just as long as you have an SD card installed. You're able to read that street sign. Coming up on the passenger side, here it's even later and we're getting back on the interstate. Off in the distance you can see the clouds and the rear camera is showing traffic. Now it's even darker and you can see both directions of traffic. You can even see the reflectors between the stripes. I think this dash cam is incredible. It really is. The fact that it records front and back at the same time, timestamps, everything, date stamps, it is worth it. Day, night, dusk, it just works. I was able to read the fuel prices at the fueling stations, no matter what time of day it was. This is truly a remarkable dash camera and I can't recommend this enough. It installs clean, it just looks good, it works well. I can't say enough good things about it. Now, something else about this video review, this isn't the moment that I received this product. I have been using this product for some time now. Making this video was after I have used this for a period of time. MANGOAL did send this into the show, but this is my honest review. And that's all I do on this channel, is be honest. Again, I use the products that I review. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this dash camera and what dash camera you use. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.